Today we're working on the Pilates spine corrector for a mobility exercise.
Hello everybody, I'm Meredith from the Benniebarrefitness Pilates studio, and today I'm going to be showing you the shoulder roll on the spine corrector. This is a great mobility exercise that will help you open up and feel really free and unlock all of these tight areas in the upper body.
We're going to lay it to the side of the spine corrector. We want to be really close with our body to the side of the spine corrector. Our bottom leg is over top of the seat there, and the top leg is reaching out long. Now we're going to circle that top arm up and around over our head, and we're going to let our body rotate up, the leg, the chest, everything rotating out with that arm as we open up and release. And then as we bring the arm back around, everything rotates back forward. So what we're trying to do here is release, open up through that upper body, and relax through the body. Most of the time when we're doing Pilates, we're really engaged, and here we're wanting to release and just kind of drape over that spine corrector, which can be challenging to release and relax in and of itself. We'll utilize the breath here, inhaling as we're sweeping up and opening up, and exhaling as we're rotating everything back forward. And now switching to the other side. Make sure that you do an even amount on both sides. As you're performing this mobility exercise, just let yourself enjoy how amazing this feels. It looks like such a simple thing, but feels so good in this movement. This exercise is appropriate for students of all levels, and it is beneficial for students of all levels. This is a great one to use when you first get up in the morning and perhaps you're feeling a little bit stiff, a little cramped. Maybe you sleep in weird postures sometimes and you just need to open up and get your body moving. This is a great way to move through the body. It can also be really beneficial as you're winding down at the end of the day to get yourself moving and nice and comfortable and relaxed before bed. And of course, you can insert this anytime. It's wonderful if you've been working heavily through the back, through the core, through the upper body, and you just want to stretch and release and open following your workout. I hope you've enjoyed this on the spine corrector and that you're able to add this into your Pilates routine in a way that's beneficial to you. Let me know if there's any exercises that you'd like to see on the spine corrector. And if you're interested in online classes with me, you can join me on Patreon. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys next time in the studio.